Hello students, welcome to Sumaya English Primary School. Children, today will be learning grammar and the topic will be kinds of sentences. This is chapter number 1. Now what do you mean by a sentence? Actually, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence must have a subject and a verb. For example, if I say, the girl, this sentence is incomplete. But if I say, the girl dances well, then we have the complete sentence. So you know that a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense and it should have a subject and a verb. Now these sentences are of 4 types. So we will be learning about the types, and the types are: first is assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Okay? Now, assertive or declarative sentence. It is a plain statement. An imperative sentence, it shows a command, an order, request. And the third is interrogative sentence. It has a question in it. A question is being asked in this sentence. And lastly, the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. An exclamation. It shows some expression of sadness, happiness, joy. Now let us come back to the assertive sentence. The first one. Let me explain to you in detail. An assertive sentence is a simple statement or assertion, that means saying yes. So it is either affirmative in yes or negative, that means in no. That means a sentence will be carrying yes in it, or it will be showing no, not, doesn't, don't, this type of words. Now, as I have explained, a sentence must have a subject and a verb. The girl dances well. The boy does not swim well. Now, in the first sentence, the girl dances well, it is an assertion and it is showing that the girl dances well. Now, in the second sentence, the boy does not swim well. Now, here in this, the word not, it is showing negative remark. So, this is a negative sentence, but it is coming under assertive sentence. So, as I have explained, an imperative sentence is a type of sentence that gives instructions, advice, or expresses a command, an order, a direction, or a request. Imperative sentence. Now this sentence, we will be learning about like negative sentence with imperatives. It is imperative sentence but showing negative remark. Do not talk to me like that. Not. Now, do not make that sound. Here also not. Do not walk fastly. So these are negative sentences with imperatives. Now coming to positive questions with imperatives. Now here interrogative questions with imperatives. Shall we go out? Shall we go to the cinema? Shall we sleep? Now this sentence carries a question mark. Now let me explain to you that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. But an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. You will see the question mark at the end of the sentence of interrogative. Now coming to negative questions with imperatives. Shall he not come in? See, here also not word is used. Shall we not go out? Shall we not go to the cinema? And see, the tone also changes. Like question is being asked. Got it? Now interrogative sentence asks a question, as I said, and it ends with a question mark. Here are some more sentences. May I borrow your newspaper? Did you turn the light off? See my way of asking questions. See how the plain sentence is said and how a question is being asked. Interrogation. What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited New York City? Now coming back to the last type of sentence, exclamatory sentence. Yes, exclamatory. What do you understand by the word exclamatory? Means showing exclamation, expression. So exclamatory sentence shows strong feelings, like when it ends with an exclamation mark. What are the feelings? Feelings of happiness, joy, sadness, regret. So here are the definition. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses a strong emotion and ends with an exclamatory mark. So you can see that exclamatory mark in the inverted commas given in the slide. For example, I am free. It shows expression of joy. And see here the expression of love. I treasure you. And surprise. When you're surprised, she actually won. That means she was not expecting that she is going to win, but suddenly she is surprised that the girl has won. She actually won. And then expressing of anger. You are late again. So these are the expressions which shows in the exclamatory sentence. So I hope all the concepts are clear for you. Thank you.